to show you a presentation on our product, Vekognizer. This is our team, data farmers, and these are the 4 members. We are trying to tackle a problem statement as stated in the presentation, and our solution is based on deep learning. So this is the tech stack which we are using. Thank you AstraDB for providing this database for enormous collection of data. This is the basic flow. First step is data collection, next step is data query, and finally catching the criminals. This is the schema of our Cassandra database. We are collecting the data using distributed computing. The vehicle attributes are detected and feature vectors are computed on each signal, and all the data is sent to a central database in AstraDB. This is how the vehicle attribute extraction takes place. As you can see, color, vehicle type, and all other attributes are getting extracted along with the location and time.
So here we have a scenario, a suspicious car was seen and we have to crack it. Here we are specifying the date time range, the latitude and longitude, and the radius, basically the geofence. Here we are getting a list of the matching vehicles and we are selecting a vehicle. So this is the route of the selected vehicle. As you can see, at 6:04 p.m. the vehicle was near Nordula Tank Playground. It's time for the demo.
Guys, it's time for the demo now. So this is our site which we created in this 2 days, and like my friend Sasmit said, let's select the beginning time. And let's select another date, like from 3 September to 4 September. Great. Now we will select latitude and longitude. And enter the kilometer. And now we will just find the vehicles in this specific, from the specific date in that specific time range. And these are the possible vehicles which were provided by our system. So let's select the vehicle, and I want a route for this suspicious vehicle. Like you can see, this specific vehicle is route generated from over here till here, and that's how we think the authorities will be able to find stolen vehicles or find criminals.
Thank you.
Awesome. All right, so let's see who our winner for the most innovative project is. I'm in suspense as well. I already know who these are. And there was our drum roll. Awesome. So our most innovative project is the Vekognizer. Did I say that right? With Team Data Farmers, the Vekognizer. I think that's the one there. And
I think it's like Tron, David, the Recognizer. I think it's like the
yeah, there you go. There you go. Now, I'll admit there was a lot of deliberation over this one, but I'm actually going to punt. I'm going to punt on commenting on this one to maybe say Sean or Peter, some of the folks that definitely had some strong feelings here with the innovative aspect. I'm calling you guys out.
I'll take this one just because I am the one person on the team. Well, together with Eric, the one person on the team who is not American by nature, therefore looked at this project completely different than Americans. So for those
by nature,
I'm becoming integrated into society. It's becoming a part of who I am. But originally, I'm from Ireland. So for those of you who are familiar with the way CCTV works in the UK, as well as Ireland and some other places in the world, it's different kind of rules, right? So the way we looked at this initially, our American colleagues, they saw potential legal matters, legal issues with the way we were tracking certain data from CCTV versus countries who have CCTV incorporated, where it's a whole different kind of experience. So we had to actually deliberate on the differences in culture and the differences in laws and rules. And it was actually quite insightful to learn the different views on the same project. But eventually, when we were able to explain how CCTV works in different countries, it kind of became clear that this had a lot of innovation and it had a lot of potential. But it does also face some challenges in terms of making sure we don't break the law, right? We don't want to turn it into a stalker app. We want to make sure that we use it for a noble cause. And David, you actually had the best use case that I could imagine for this, and that was the Amber Alert system. Could you imagine if an Amber Alert goes out and you can immediately track the description of the car and track it with CCTV? Amazing. So congratulations. That was my addition to your comment, David.
Well, thank you.